how much do the brushes cost? Keep watching and I'll show you the true cost to running a weld cleaner. Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask Cougartron. In this episode we're going to find out exactly how much the consumables cost. We get asked this quite a lot and it's a great question. You've just invested your hard-earned cash into a beautiful new orange weld cleaner and the last thing you want is for it to be costing a small fortune to run. The first thing to bear in mind is there is no exact answer to this question. The brush usage and fluid usage totally depends on the user and the job you're working on. Right, now that's out of the way, let's get into it. And remember, if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. All of our machines function in a similar way. We use a mild acidic fluid and a brush to create a chemical reaction and clean the surface, just like this. The fluid can actually be reused, so rather than a continuous supply pumping, you can see here the same drop of fluid is being used for the whole weld. A large container like this runs at about 120 euros and you can get 1,500 meters of weld with this. That's less than 10 cents per meter. Not bad. Now these brushes are made to last. In this clip you can see our brush setup has a protective shroud to increase the brush life by only using the tips when cleaning. This is the most effective way. One brush can last up to 250 meters of weld, which is the length of 2 football fields. This also puts the cost starting at under 10 cents per meter. Again, not a bad price. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep your questions coming. And if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next time.